Please let go of the dishes. Take them.
Oh.
Honey, all of them.
Every dish?
Yeah, take all the dishes.
Put the camera down. Wait a second.
Okay, I'm filming for her, and I've got the snake's head right there, somehow. I have no idea why we're filming this, just to see if I don't have a heart attack. Oh man, let go. Oh my gosh, do I have it? I still have it.
Oh.
Oh man, I'm trying to pull. You want to hold it?
I'm just going to touch it.
Okay, gotta let go of the head.
You're letting go of the head. Why?
So I can try and do it this. Go, open the back cover.
Oh my goodness.
Hey, wait. It's not a bite here, so I don't know what. I have no idea what.
No, my daddy's.
Whatever. Crazy.
I don't know how. I think I have it upside down.
Oh my goodness.